Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. As we are studying the 10th chapter of Maths, which is mensuration, today we will be discussing the area of rectangle and perimeter. A small revision. What is rectangle? A rectangle is a 2D shape in geometry having 4 sides and 4 corners. Its two sides meet at right angles. Thus, a rectangle has four angles, each measuring 90 degrees. The opposite sides of a rectangle have the same length and are parallel. Two sides are said to be parallel when the distance between them remains the same at all points. Image of a rectangle is properties of rectangle. It is a flat shape. It has four sides or edges. It has four corners and it has four right angles. Area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is the product of its two adjacent sides. So length into width will be the area of rectangle, or A into B when we multiply will get the area of the rectangle. What is a square? A square is closed two-dimensional shape with four equal sides. A square is a quadrilateral. We can find the shape of a square in a game board or chess board or wall clock and in a slice of bread around us. Properties of square. A square has four sides and four vertices. All the sides of a square are equal in length. All interior angles are equal and right angles. The sum of all the interior angle is 360 degree. We know that the area of the square is given by area equals to side into side, or A equals to A into A square units. Therefore, A equals to A square units. So square formula, area equals to A square, where A, capital A is area of square and small a is side of the square. Let us take some examples. Find the area of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 12 cm and 4 cm respectively. Solution will be like this. Length of the rectangle is 12 cm and breadth of the rectangle is 4 cm. We know the area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. So 12 cm into 4 cm equals to 42 square centimeter. Do remember, square centimeter, when we are calculating the area of a rectangle, we have to mention square centimeter. So the answer will be 48 square centimeter. The next example is find the area of a square plot of side 8 meter. We know that all the sides of a square are equal. So area of a square, we know side into side, which is 8 meter into 8 meter equals to 64 square meter. Example number 15. The area of a rectangular piece of cardboard is 36 square centimeter and its length is 9 centimeter. What is the width of the cardboard? Here in the solution we got that area of the rectangle is 36 square meter and length is given the 9 centimeter. So what is the width? So we know that area of rectangle is length into width. So width will be area by length. So 36 by 9 is equal to 4 centimeter. Thus the width of the rectangular cardboard is 4 centimeter. When we multiply 4 into 9, we will get 36. So when we verify the answer, we got that the width of 4 centimeter and the length of 9 centimeter gives area of square 36 square centimeter. Next example is Bo wants to cover the floor of a room which is 3 meter wide and 4 meter long by squared tiles. If each square tile is of side 0.5 meter, then find the number of tiles required to cover the floor of the room. So solution will be like this. Total area of tiles must be equal to the area of the floor of the room. So we know that length of the room is 4 meter and breadth of the room is 3 meter. So area of the floor will be length into breadth, which is 4 meter into 3 meter, is equals to 12 square meter. Now area of one square tile is side into side, which is 0.5 meter and 0.5 meter, which is equals to 0.25 square meter. Number of tiles required, area of the floor by area of one tile. So 12 by 0.25. 12 can be written as 1200 and by 25, which is 48 tiles. So the required number of tiles are 48 tiles. Example number 17. Find the area in square meter of piece of cloth 1 meter 125 centimeter width and long 2 meter long. Length of the cloth is 2 meter and the breadth of the cloth is 1 meter 25 centimeter. We'll convert this 1 meter 25 centimeter in same unit. So 1 meter and 25 centimeter is 0.25 meter. So breadth of the cloth is 1.25 meter. Area of the cloth, length of the cloth and breadth of the cloth, which is 2 meter into 1.25 meter. When we multiply, we'll get 2.50 square meter. So the area of the cloth is 2.50 square meter. So we have completed the 10th chapter. Please go through the exercise and solve it.